hope you all are doing great. So today I have created this nude makeup look which can be your करवा चौथ look too. So if you're wearing any kind of outfit, अगर आप bright color पहन रहे हो या nude shades पहन रहे हो, उनके साथ ये makeup just perfect जाएगा. So if you want to know how I created this look, all you have to do is keep on watching this video. So now let's get started. First thing you have to do is prep your skin. So I've used the Clinique Moisture Surge and I've prepped my skin, and now the second step will be a primer. Because I have combination skin, that's why I have pores, so I'm going to use a pore primer. Because I want to give this look a nice dewy finish, so I'm going to use a dewy primer. So the pore one I'm only going to use only on my nose areas and cheek because I have open pores there. Rest I'll be using the dewy one. So let's get started. So now I've prepped my skin. I've used a moisturizer, 2 primers, and next step will be a foundation. So make sure you use a hydrating foundation. But if you're looking for a matte finish, then use a matte one. अगर आपके पास सिर्फ matte वाला है, तो normal foundation में थोड़ा सा moisturizer mix कर देना and will become a hydrating one. So I'm gonna take like good 2 pumps. And start blending. Make sure you take enough time to blend because blending is the key. Now the next step will be my concealer. So I'm going to use it under my eyes and wherever I have my acne. Say hello to the new one. So I'm just going to apply it here. थोड़ा सा end में. And wherever I have blemishes and wherever I need some color correction. Okay, you can use any brush also, but I really like using beauty blenders these days, and that's why I use this one. You can just dab, 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 dab. And make sure wherever you're taking concealer, take one shade lighter so that this portion highlights. So I'm done with my concealer. Next step will be I'm going to make sure that I powder my concealer. It's very important. नहीं तो ना आपकी concealer में यहाँ पे नीचे lines आ जाएंगी. But if you put a powder, तो वो काफी time तक वैसे के वैसे ही रहता है. So make sure you do that. You can use your beauty blender also, but I like to use my brush and just dab like that. Only under my eyes. In case अगर आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा oily skin है तो आप पूरे face पे कर सकते हैं. But I like this nice dewy finish. That's why I only use it under my eyes. And अगर आपसे ज़्यादा भी लग गया तो it's okay. By the time you'll finish your eyeshadow, it will anyway just sit down and settle down. Okay. Now let's get started with the eyeshadow. So the first step will be you have to take the lightest shade on the eyeshadow palette. So I'll take this one. And take your blending brush और ये आप अपने पूरे eyelid पे लगा लो. So now I'm going to use a little darker shade on my outer corners of my eyes so that you know मेरी eyes में थोड़ा depth दिखे, मेरी आँखें जो है वो थोड़ी बड़ी दिखे. So do try that. सबसे पहले एक lighter shade use करो and then one shade darker. So I'm just going to, you know, apply it like this in a fan motion basically. So now I'm going to take the same shade और मैं ये छोटा वाला brush लूँगी and I'll use it under my eyes. So now I'm going to take this shimmery shade on my ring finger. And मैं सिर्फ inner corner में apply करूँगी. Now I'm going to take the darker shade जो मैं इसके पहले लिया था again on my blending brush and I'm going to blend both the shades ताकि वो ऐसा ना दिखे कि brown दिख रहा है and shimmer shade दिख रहा है, वो दोनों properly blended दिखनी चाहिए. And now I'll do my eyebrows. Okay, so my next step will be my mascara, and if you guys know, I am not someone who likes to use falsies. I always rely on my mascara, so I'm going to use this one and मैं अच्छे से heavy mascara करूँगी. Okay, so my eyes are done. Now I'm gonna bronze my face. आज मैं कोई भी contour नहीं use कर रही हूँ, just bronze, so that I give this nice shadow on my face. So it's not important कि आप दोनों steps करो ही करो. I really like, you know, bronzing my face. I'm gonna use this one. It's like a very light bronze. So now the next step will be my blush. I'm going to use a nice peachy one क्योंकि आज हम करें nude makeup look. So always take your blush and then extra निकालो and then use it. And now whatever is left over now, वो आप अपने apple of cheeks पे लगा लो. And now my next step and my most favorite step, my highlighter. So I'm going to use a nice gold one. Now let's start with our lips. So we're going to do like 3 good steps: lip liner, lipstick and a gloss. I'm going to give like a nice gloss. And now I'm going to use my nice nude lipstick, so you can, you know, mix up pinks and nudes. It looks really nice. And the last step, I'm going to add some gloss, but मैं वो सिर्फ है ना center portion में ही लगाऊंगी. So now I'm done with my lipstick. So make sure that you do these 3 steps: lip liner, lipstick and a gloss. तो आप देखोगे कि आपकी लिपस्टिक है ना वो बहुत ही लॉन्ग लास्टिंग हो जाती है, स्पेशली इफ यू गोइंग फॉर अ फंक्शन या कुछ फेस्टिव सीजन है या एनीथिंग. सो दिस विल really help you. And now I'll quickly do my hair, wear my jewelry and show you the final look. So this was my final look and I hope you guys liked it and this video was helpful. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.